Hi everyone, welcome to our first YouTube video where we are going to explain you how to do mental multiplication within seconds. All you need to do is learn the tables of 2 to 9 and boom, you'll be able to solve all the multiplication questions. Let's start with a two-digit number. Let's take 45 times 5. Now, the first step that you have to do is multiply 4 times 5 and 5 times 5. Unlike the school method where you start with the ones place. Now, 4 times 5 is 20 and 5 times 5 is 25. Now we take 20 and add this 2 which gives us 22 and we copy the last number that is 5. So, the answer for 45 times 5 is 225. Let's take one more example. Let's take 86 times 7. Now, first we take 8 times 7 and then 6 times 7. The numbers we get are 56 and 42. Now we plus 56 and 4 and we get 60 and then we copy 2. So, the answer for 86 times 7 is 602. You all have enjoyed learning this method. Here are some practice questions. I'll be waiting for a response in the comment section. Do not forget to like and subscribe. We'll be back soon with another amazing video. Stay tuned. Bye.